What up, YouTube? We're here with the Super Shinken Samurai Red Ranger. Guru will tell you about it.
Hello. His gun. It's got his sword loaded into it with something connected onto his sword with a white disc in it. And his sword has a black sauce or disc that I put on it before I put it on there. And it's got the bull, because it's, I guess, the bull blaster. I don't really know the name. His little shoulder pad doohickeys are cool. His colors are amazing. The white looks great on the black and red, and with the gold it tops it off because he's got it on his sword and everything else in his buckle. The symbol on his back is super cool. The figure arts have maximum posability. Everything is always to scale. The weapons is what I always like the most out of figure arts because they do the best job on the weapons. The detail. He's super rad compared to his first self, if we can get a shot of that. This is a super form. He didn't come with a big sword like the first red version, which is fine because I already have two, one from the girl and one from him. A little bummed that his trigger hand doesn't go into the finger hole, and he has a hand for that, but it just did not want to stay in there. I'll be having fun playing with this guy tonight, that's for sure. He's got to be one of my favorites. He's got attitude. I like all the samurais. And his box is pretty cool, pretty standard for the rest of them too. And I'll spin him around one more time, just take a beautiful look at his code and his symbol. And there's another form where he's got a red jacket coming out, and I already have that pre-ordered, so I'll have that as soon as it pops out. And then we got Juzo, which is better known as Decker here in America. And I got him coming out real soon too, and I'll be grabbing onto him. Really excited for him. Take a look at Cole here. That's how excited I am for Decker. But go get this toy. He's the coolest one they have out other than the blue one and the gold one. They're all three equally as cool.
And subscribe!